tell a friend to tell a friend that I'm back. Hey, hey. I'm back. I'm back. A lot of persons are used to me making content where I'm reviewing restaurants and cool spots in Jamaica, but mainly in the town of Mandeville. You know, I do interview with interesting persons, and I kind of paused for a while, you know. I was doing a lot of other things, you know, but I feel the energy. I am re-inspired to start reviewing restaurants and interviewing people again and making food content. So yeah, I'm back. So get ready for some new and more exciting content. Let's go. So the first place we're going to review or take a look at is this new food spot that I found. It's across from Mandeville Primary School on this mall called Central Dealers Mall. The mall recently got renovated. It used to be called Caledonia Mall. Now it's called Central Dealers Mall. Now there's this little food spot on the front of the mall. First it looked like it was a food cart they were putting there, and now they kind of fix it up. I forgot cross the road now. Lord of mercy, please God, make me cross the road good. Man, I want no car to look me down. Alright, I'm gonna cross safely. Alright, so yeah, as I was saying, they fix it up. It's now look like an enclosed space. They put a lot of vibrant colors like orange and red. And I think the name of the restaurant is called Supapot Deli. Like super, but super. Supapot Deli. Alright, so let's look at the menu. So they're serving breakfast. They had stewed chicken, kidney, callaloo, and saltfish, and egg sandwich, bami. And I thought they would have more stuff. So I was looking at the ambience, and I was looking at, oh wait, they had fried dumplings. I was like, you know, I'm not feeling the stewed chicken. My stomach not open up yet for anything heavy, so I'm going to just try 2 fried dumplings with some gravy. You know me already. I'm not afraid for order what I want. I don't care if people say me cheap. I eat my like. I make a try. But they want like some wraps or, you know, something different. Something like a chicken wrap. Anyway, let's give it a try. Okay. So you know I am AKA your fried dumpling connoisseur. Yes, your fried dumpling connoisseur. Whoever fried this or fried dumpling can cook. It tastes good. I know that they dip a little bit of brown sugar in the batter or the dough, and it tastes really good. I love the taste of the stewed chicken. The stewed chicken gravy tastes so savory and nice. So from this I can know that the stewed chicken would have tasted good. Alright, the stewed chicken tastes good. All in all, it's a win. It's a really good spot to grab food. The only drawback for me is that I was hoping that they would have more variety, because I was expecting like salads or a chicken wrap, you know, like something like that. Because from the advertisement, you would have expected them to have those options. Yes, based on the advertisement, you're expecting salads, hot dog, burgers, fried chicken, and the name, yes, the name, Deli. Deli usually offers like sausages, hot dogs, and meats and salads. So that was a little bit like, oh, is this a deli or a Jamaican cook shop? But location, it's a win. Food, it's a win. Cost, it's a win. Big up yourself. Supapot Deli. And you know, all in all, it's a new restaurant, so probably further down they will add other things to the menu. So when it comes to Supapot Deli, located on the Central Dealers Mall, it's a win. Go and check it out.